welcome back to my channel. It's Alex, and today I have really quick and small unboxing video for Louis Vuitton. And this was like unexpected because I was looking for the charm from the new collection by the pool. I saw it's like in monogram and they kind of like round, and it's just monogram and gold hardware. So I saw it online, but they don't have it online, and there is no option to check like around stores what store has it or something like that. So today I just walked by Macy's and decided to check. So they had what I wanted, and I obviously got it. It's over here, this little cute charm that I want to use for my bag, especially for my converted new by the pool collection again Kirigami envelope that I'm gonna use like as a bag, and this is probably gonna be charm for this one. So I'm very happy about it because I want it and I couldn't find it, so I was about already to get like some other charm, but I'm not really thrilled about. So I stepped by Macy's and they had like only one available in stock, and there is no more option like cute ones, all just ordinary like regular monogram stuff. But this one was like the only one from new collection and exactly what I wanted. Plus on the good side here that I got it from Macy's location, so Louis Vuitton in the Macy's. And the good thing here that if you have like Macy's card and you get Macy's points, you like earn it a lot, since Louis Vuitton costs like a lot. And I, for example, used my credit card from Macy's today and I got $10 right away. So it's kind of like a $10 off, I would say, for this cute one. So $10 for like using Macy's card. Okay, so and actually I also want to mention I so much like to buy stuff from Louis Vuitton, Chanel or Gucci inside department stores, because if you have the loyalty program like, or if you had the credit card, you kind of earn like a lot of points, considering this is expensive. So you have a lot of points. For example, I like to shop in Bloomingdale's location, Louis Vuitton, and I have a lot of points with every purchase. So today it was my first time then I got something from Macy's, and I'm super happy. Okay, so I got it from 34th Street, Harris Square in Manhattan, like the biggest Macy's, and they have Louis Vuitton on the first floor. They also have Burberry and Gucci, for instance. So I visit only Louis Vuitton today and I got what I so much wanted. So let's open it up. It's like a super small, as you can see, bag, just like the same that then you get with key pouch. I already have the same box, so it just slides like this. Okay, super tight. Okay, let me show it now. Okay, so this is it. It has again dust bag. I have already so many dust bag from every strap, from every single little piece. I have like that kind of dust bags. It's very cute and convenient. So it opens like this, and here you have it. This is what I got. So this is this cutest new collection called By the Pool, and I just kind of like yesterday I made a video about By the Pool collection Kirigami set, which is super cute, and the biggest envelope is in this color, like yellow and pinkish, and huge LVs around. So this one it says Louis Vuitton over here, and this is gold hardware. As you can see, there is like this clip if you use it like a charm, and there is this ring if you like use it as a keychain. It would be too big a keychain for me because it wouldn't be really convenient to walk around with this, as for me at least. So, and as you can see here, it's kind of little monogram as you can see there, white LV and all these kind of stars. And there is also gold hardware right in the middle over here, and it says Louis Vuitton. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's super cute. As you can see, it's adorable, and it's so much like this summer collection. I guess it's summer or spring and summer, so it's so much like this by the pool collection and all this cute stuff they have right now. And for instance, I'm gonna show again my Kirigami that I got a couple days ago and made a couple days ago like a video about it. So I'm gonna just show that this is kind of, it's same color. As you can see, it's totally same item literally. And I'm gonna, so as I said, I'm gonna have this it's actually should be arrived today, this set for making this one crossbody, and so it should arrive today. And what I want to say, I'm gonna put the chain here as I said, and I'm gonna probably add this one, I guess this side. Yes, look how cute it is. It's just so amazing. I so much love it. So it's basically gonna hang like this, then I'm gonna use it as a bag, and this charm is just make this newly converted bag even more attractive, and I so much love. It's just such a crazy cute color for me. I so much love it. I can't wait to wear it. So all right, and let me say how much it was. It was $310, and with tax and everything I paid like $320 something. Okay, so but basically $310. It's actually good because a lot of it's one of the cheap version, I would say, because I saw like a Christmas collection, they were like $260 or something like that, and I saw like run collection, they $300. It's kind of like the cheapest ones, because usually all day stuff it's about $400, $500, sometimes even $800 like a charm, and it's super expensive. So $300, it's a lot as well, but I really just wanted to be like a charm and just make my bags look more like, you know, look more luxury or something like that. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna make another video, then my conversion kit will come in the mail, and I make like all this chain converted and add this beautiful charm and make another video. Then I'm gonna able to use it as a crossbody. And as for now, I guess this is it. Thank you so much for watching and unpacking with me this beautiful and amazing charm from Louis Vuitton by the Pool collection, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Have a nice day.